Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm using the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set as well as the Christmas Gleaming stamp set. So I have my Itty Bitty sentiment here, and I am inking up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm stamping on very vanilla cardstock, the regular weight. I have inked up the image from the Christmas Gleaming stamp set. I think this is holly berries. It could be mistletoe. I'm not sure. And I am stamping 3 times around the sentiment. So as you can see here, I have removed the lids off my blends. I think it's an easier transition for me to do this between light and dark, meaning here I'm flooding my image with the light marker, and then I go in very quickly with my dark marker. So I color in where the artists have put the lines, and then I go back with the light to blend the color out. So we have a natural dark shading. So one of the tips I also did not follow here is that, not to color right up to the black line. So that gives the ink room to expand. Another thing is if you're using a porous surface underneath, that will help absorb a little bit of the ink so it doesn't spread over your colored area. So like a piece of paper, I'm using the grid mat here from the Stamparatus. It comes in a little pad, and it's very perfect for this little kind of project. And so I switch back and forth, light, dark, light. And then obviously this is lovely lipstick. It could be real red. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me. Both would work. And I know that I am going to be putting that shimmery crystal effects over top of it. So I planned where I put my dimensionals so that it would right under the berries, and then just a few more for added measure. So that's a little tip if you're thinking about sagging and stuff. So this is the Subtles 3D embossing folder. No one gives a really good investigation of it. You can't really see it on some of the videos. It just looks like a piece of paper. So I thought I'd do a little close up there and share with you that Subtles folder. It's beautiful. So I just put a little strip of adhesive down. Now I'm using my mint macaron ribbon here. Any green would do, I'm sure. I fuss with these like loops and stuff, so I had to make it perfect. So the dimensionals go on, and then of course trimming off the edges of the ribbon is very important. And then I will fold and crease with my bone folder, and then I will add my shimmery crystal effects. It takes about a couple hours for these berries to dry, but they dry clear and they have sparkle in them, so I really like them. So thank you very much for joining me for this Monday Makes video. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.